Hayes International is pleased to introduce the Ecotex packing cube set. If you're still traveling without packing cubes, you might find yourself digging through your luggage to find a certain item. With packing cubes, you have compact compartments within your luggage. You can quickly find your item and everything stays nice, neat, and unwrinkled. Ecotex packing cubes allow you to pack and unpack in just a few seconds, and they keep your clothes clean by preventing them from touching the sometimes unhygienic insides of hotel drawers, while still keeping you organized. They're great for traveling families. Everyone has their own color of cubes, which makes packing, unpacking, and finding items easy and quick. They're perfect for handbags, backpacks, duffel bags, and more, creating neat compartments to keep you organized on the go. Ecotex packing cubes not only make traveling a breeze, they'll even change the way you organize your home. From the clothing and other items in your cupboards and drawers, to those hard-to-stack seasonal items in your closets, everything stays neat, organized, and easy to find. And don't forget, the packing cubes are made from 100% recycled water bottles. Hayes Ecotex products help the environment by recycling bottles that would otherwise go into landfills. These bottles are ground into small plastic flakes. These flakes are then melted down into a liquid. This liquid is then further processed into a yarn, which is used to create the eco-friendly, petroleum-free, and very durable Ecotex fabric. Hayes packing cubes are a fun and colorful way to keep you organized and stress-free, whether you're at home or on the go. And made from 100% recycled water bottles, so they're also great for the environment. The Hayes Ecotex packing cube set.